नीचे इसमें अपने 64 मेंबर्स हैं।
64 members. Members may take their seat. Members may take this. All those members against clause 2 may rise in their seats. Up. Count to be made. Count to be made. खड़े हो. Count to be made.
दोबारा रिपीट कर देंगे. All those against it may rise in their seats. ये नीचे चलते दिखाओ.
Members. All those members against clause 2 may rise on their seats. Count to be made. There are 2 votes. Members may take their seats. Members have voted in favor of clause 2. There are 64. Members, 64 members have voted in favor of clause 2 and 2 members are against it. None against, so that motion is carried by the votes of not less than 2/3 of the total membership of the House. Clause 2 therefore form part of the bill. Second reading of the bill. We may now